To add numbers in a row in Excel, you have several methods depending on your needs. I'll walk you through the main approaches, starting with the fastest. The quickest way is using AutoSum. Click the cell immediately to the right of the last number in your row. Now press Alt and the equal sign at the same time. Excel automatically highlights the cells to the left and inserts a sum formula. Press Enter. You'll see the total appear in the cell, and if you click on that cell again, the formula shows in the bar at the top. If that doesn't give you enough control over which cells to include, you can type the formula yourself. Click where you want the sum, type equals SUM, then an opening parenthesis. Now type the range, something like B2 colon F2, for cells B2 through F2. You can also click and drag to select the cells instead of typing, or type individual cells separated by commas if they're not next to each other. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. The total appears in the cell, and the full formula shows in the formula bar when that cell's selected. If you prefer using the mouse to select cells, you can build the formula with clicks instead. Click where you want the sum, type equals sum and an opening parenthesis, then click the first cell in the row. Hold Shift and click the last cell. This selects the whole range. You'll see a dotted border around the selected cells. Type a closing parenthesis and press Enter. The sum shows up in your cell. For just a few cells, you can use plus signs instead. Click where you want the total, type equals, then type the cell references with a plus between each one, like equals B2 plus C2 plus D2. Press Enter and the result appears. To sum multiple rows at once, select all your data plus one extra blank column to the right. Say your data is in B2 to E5. Select B2 to F5, including that empty column F. Press Alt and equals, and Excel drops a sum formula into the rightmost column for every row. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. The plus sign method works fine for 2 to 5 cells, but gets cumbersome with larger ranges. That's when sum is your better choice. Also, whichever method you use, the formula updates automatically whenever you change any of the numbers in those cells, so your total is always current. For most situations, the AutoSum shortcut is the fastest option.